and welcome to another demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting. In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the display settings so that your server window will display in full screen rather than a windowed view like you see here. Normally, you'd click the square in the upper right hand corner and it would make it full screen, but in this case, that doesn't seem to be working. To get started, log off your server. Right-click on your RDP shortcut and select Edit. Next, go to the Display tab, and in this window, bring the slider all the way to the right until it says Full Screen under the slider. This setting will allow your computer to open your server window in full screen rather than a windowed view like before. You can also check the box for using multiple monitors if you'd like to use all your monitors when connected to the server rather than just one. Next, go to the General tab and click Save in order to save the changes you've made. Click Connect in order to connect to your server, and it should open in a full screen view rather than a windowed view like before. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the display settings on your RDP shortcut so that your server will now open in a full screen view. Thank you for watching this demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting, and have a great day.